Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Swiss starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the dollar Swiss, to me, it does look like this is a downtrend for the 1. I think this is a correction for the 2. If that is the case, that means this is a 1, 2, 3, and we're actually in a wave 2 of wave 3, maybe even already in a wave 3 of wave 3, which I do believe is going to make its way all the way down to about the 0.72 area. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, to me, this looks like a downtrend, like a wave 1. Now, this move up to me does kind of look like it possibly could go up again, like this is an A, this is a B, and then it goes up again for a C, and then that would be an ABC of 2, and then it would continue to downtrend. That does seem like to me it would make a much more clear ABC correction. But sometimes what you think is going to end up going up one more time will just end up continuing the downtrend, so we do have to be aware that it may just keep on going down. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like I said, this looks like it could be a wave A. If this move down right here, I would say is an A or a wave 1. This move up right here is either a wave B or a wave 2. So that means if this move down right here is a wave C, then it will probably go down to one of these Fibonacci levels, making a pulse to turn up, a break of structure, proving that it's a wave C, and then that would be the continuation of the uptrend for the wave C of wave B. Then we would have a complete A, B, and C correction for what I think is going to be an ABC of wave 2 most likely. But like I was explaining on the weekly, sometimes what we think is going to go up again will just end up continuing the downtrend. This very easily could bounce off some fib levels, but if it just keeps on making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and you'll know this is a wave C, and you'll know that it is not a wave 3. Or if it continues to make lower lows, lower highs, you'll know it's a wave 3, and you'll know that it's not a wave C. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I'm pretty confident that whether it's a wave C or whether it's a wave 3, it's not over yet. I would expect it to at least go down to the 78. If we get a double bottom and a break of structure, I would definitely exit my shorts and go long, because at that point you would know this is a wave C. But otherwise, I think there's a good chance it could continue, especially based on the weekly and the monthly time frames, continue to make lower highs, and just keep on trending down. So until you get a significant break of structure on around this 4 hour time frame and up, I would for sure be continuing to look for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I think it's very clear this right here is an ABC correction, and I think that is very clearly the end of an ABC correction. I would expect it to go down at least to that 78% I was showing on the 4 hour time frame, and if it continues to make lower lows, lower highs like I was explaining on the 4 hour, then I would just continue to go short at the end of every pullback that I get, especially on the 1 hour time frame and under. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.